Welcome to the Semsah Fashion channel, where you will learn how to revive, restore, redeem, and renew your own garments. In this video, I'm showing you how to remake your old t-shirt that I have used in the revamped video. Want to learn? Then follow me and stick to the end for a bonus tip. What I've done is take your measurements and write it down, starting from the top to the bottom. Place a t-shirt on the dotted paper and trace over with a tracing wheel. However, if you don't have a tracing wheel, you can use a pin to mark your neckline and your armholes. Tip: there should be no more than 1 to 1.5 cm difference when you check your armholes for your sleeve and your bodice. It is always the best to have your sleeve head bigger than your armhole to create ease. However, for this style I didn't want any ease, so I made my sleeve width slightly bigger to fit my armholes. Also ensure to mark what is the front with 1 nip and 2 nips for the back, and nip the center. For the binding, I made it slightly longer than the actual neckline. Top tip: to get a nice finish around the neckline and sleeves and hem, use a twin needle that should be available as an extra tool for your sewing machine. In the end, I styled the t-shirt to jazz it up. Do you want to see this video? Then comment below, hit the bell when subscribing to be alerted to new videos. Bye bye!